AI isn't just for coders or techies anymore. The truth is, there are tools anyone can use right now to make life easier. So today, let's explore the top 5 AI tools for non-techies. New tech can feel intimidating, but the best AI tools aren't buried in code. They are designed to save time, spark ideas, and help with everyday tasks. And you don't need to be a programmer to use them. Here are my top 5 picks. First up, ChatGPT. Think of it like a personal assistant that can help you draft the emails, brainstorm ideas, explain concepts, or even plan your weekends. The trick? Be specific in your prompts. The clearer you are, the better the results. Second, Notion AI. If you're into organizing notes, tasks, or projects, Notion adds an AI boost that helps summarize long tasks, rewrite drafts, and even generate task lists. Great for students or anyone juggling lots of info. Third, Canva AI. You've probably heard of Canva for design. Now it has AI features that create templates, write quick copy, and even suggest layouts. Perfect if you need a poster, a resume, or even an Instagram post without hiring a professional designer. Fourth, Jasper. This one is aimed at marketers, bloggers, and small businesses. It generates ad copy, blog posts, and even product description in seconds. You still need to edit, but it's a huge time saver for creating consistent content. And last, we have Perplexity AI. It looks like Google search with superpowers, but instead of 10 blue links, you get clear answers with sources cited. Great for research, learning something new, or even checking facts fast. These tools prove one thing: AI isn't about replacing people. It's about giving anyone a smarter set of helpers. Whether you are planning, writing, or creating, you can save time and unlock new ideas. If you want more practical, no jargon AI tips, subscribe and join me every Thursday. Let me know in the comments which AI tool would you like to try first. Let's explore together.